are you today?
We're feeling excited.
Well, it's good to know that you are all excited to this training. I would like to welcome to you all Zamboanga City Skills Academy, your training center for computer system servicing NC2, where quality training as our utmost priority. Before we go to the proper orientation, please raise for the prayer.
Amen.
Sit down. Okay, let me call your name one by one. Kindly correct me if I mispronounce your name. Ventura Crisan.
Ma'am.
Okay, last but not the least is Salasain Aina.
Ma'am.
Before the training proper, allow me to give you an orientation. These are the 10 principles of CBC. The first one is the training is based on curriculum developed from the competency standard. And the training programs are registered with the UTRAS. Once again, I'd like to welcome you all to competency-based training for computer system servicing NC2. Okay, to start with, please accomplish this learning learner's characters form. This will serve as inputs in the preparation of the activities depending on your characteristic and learning style. Are you done? Discuss. Thank you. This time, I would like to accomplish this self-assessment checklist. This will help me to determine your trainee's needs. This is 50-item multiple choice questions. You are given 1 hour to answer this. Are you done? Please pass. Thank you. The data gathered in this pre-assessment will be used to adjust the learning methods, facilities, or resources to fit your individual training needs. As I promised, I'm going to tour you around 9 CBT areas. That's after lunch break. You may take your lunch and be back at 1 p.m. Good afternoon, trainees.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
How was your lunch?
It was good.
That's great. By the way, I now have the result of your pre-assessment administered this morning. And based on the data collected for Form 4.2 and pre-test scores, Ms. Salasay possibly have a prior learning in this qualification. And with that, she will be scheduled for an interview and demonstration of skills tomorrow. So much of that, as promised, I'm going to tour you around our learning station. Please follow me. So this is your learning resources area where you can read the modules in order for you to acquire the knowledge. So this is your practical area. This is the heart of CBT's areas. This is the area for the actual practice of your skills. This is distance learning area. Enable the learning provision outside and away from the training institution in the term of print and non-print media. At present, this is complemented in selected qualification and training centers with internet connections. So these are the rest CBT areas, which is institutional assessment area. And this is also the support service area. This is the computer laboratory area. This is also the trainers resource area and contextual learning area, and also the quality control area. And last but not the least is the learning resource area. So that's all for today. Goodbye everyone. See you tomorrow.
Bye, ma'am.
Good morning, trainees.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, let me first check your attendance. Can you fill out this attendance sheet by writing your name clearly and legibly and sign your name? Are you done?
Yes.
Discuss. Thank you. Yesterday, we had a tour in your 9 learning station. Also, Ms. Salasain is scheduled this morning for an interview and demonstration of skills. By the way, Ms. Salasain, did you bring your certificate of employment? Yes, ma'am. That's good. So it is stated here that you worked at SPI in Makati for 2 years. Wow. So are you ready for your demonstration?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, come with me. Was it your first time working as a computer tech?
No, ma'am.
Okay. As I can see here, your certificate is valid. After the interview and your demonstration, it only shows that you already have achieved the prior learning With that, I would like to award you the Certificate of Achievement. After determining your prior learning and learning needs, let us check in the activity matrix as to what will be your activity for today. So, Ms. Salasain, since you already acquired competency in install and configure computer system, your task will be setting up a computer server. And later, we're going to proceed to practical area. Ms. Salasain, this is the practical area for computer system servicing for NC2. As you can see, we have here the different tools and equipment. I want you to observe me while I demonstrate the task on setting up a computer server. So in doing the task, we should always observe safety at all times. So it is a must to wear our PPE. So these are the procedure in setting up a computer server. First, prepare your bootable USB. Second, open BIOS setting up, then click up to begin with. And you have noticed I was able to set up in 20 minutes. Do you have any questions or clarification?
No.
This time, you are going to have the return demonstration. You're going to perform the task for 20 minutes. If you need some tools or equipment, you may get it from the support area. You may start now. Okay, you're done. Let me check your work. So you were able to set up computer server for 30 minutes. You are required to set up for 20 minutes. With that, you're not yet competent in this task. I want you to practice some more in order for you to gain mastery. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Miss Ventura, please come with me and let us check in the activity. So you are going to read information sheet 1.1-1 on how to maintain and repair computer systems and networks. Here is your information sheet on 1.1-1. I want you to read it and answer self-check 1.1-1. You are given 1 hour.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, welcome to our online training. Today, you are going to learn about set up computer networks. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll be sharing my screen to you and please jot down the steps in setting up computer server. Okay. We have 3 steps only. The first one is prepare your bootable USB. Second one is BIOS setup. The last step is click to begin. So it's easy, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want you to familiarize the procedure. If there are no more questions, that's all for today. I'll see you again in our next online session.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, you're done. Let me check your work. Very good. This time you are able to do it correctly. Okay, let us update in our progress and achievement charts. assessment. Alright, since this is your last task for this training, you are now ready for institutional assessment. But before that, please evaluate me as your trainer and the training program. Okay? Thank you. The last one is the pulse test. This is a 45 items test. You are given 1 hour to answer. Okay, you may start now. Are you done? Please pass. Thank you. So I have the result of the pulse test. And based on the result, you got a perfect score. Wow, that's great. That's impressive. It only shows that learn a lot from this training. Okay, let us now proceed to the institutional assessment area. Come with me. This is our assessment area. So given the tools and materials, you are going to perform the different tasks for 2 hours. After this, there will be an oral questioning. Please observe safety and wear your PPE. You may start now. Okay, since you are done with your demonstration, let us proceed with the oral questioning. So, we will have an oral questioning. What is server?
A server is a computer program or a device.
Okay, thank you so much. So based on the result in the demonstration, you were able to demonstrate the task correctly. You were also able to answer the question right in your written test. You got a perfect score. Very good. Based on the evidence I have gathered from overall performance of your institutional assessment is competent. Congratulations. You're now ready for the national assessment. You may look for any accredited assessment center in Computer System Servicing NC2 for your assessment application. Here is your certificate of achievement. Congratulations once again, and you now exit the program.